Today's Fact Friday, I think, is going to surprise many of you. Most people think insulin resistance begins in the pancreas or the bloodstream. But the very first place it actually shows up is inside your skeletal muscle. And that is the biggest organ system you have. And here's the crazy part. Your fasting blood sugar can look completely normal while insulin resistance is already brewing in the background. Your muscles are supposed to act like these big glucose sponges, and after you eat, insulin knocks on the door and your muscle cells open up, and the muscles pull that blood sugar out of your bloodstream. Easy? Well, not necessarily. When your muscles are consistently overloaded, too many carbs, too frequent meals, years of grazing all day long, too little strength training, those muscle cells get full and they stop responding to insulin. This is called muscle insulin resistance. And let me give you a picture your doctor probably never explained. When muscle cells stay overloaded for too long, fat starts weaving inside the muscle fibers themselves, just like marbling in a steak. This is called myosteatosis, or intramuscular fat. And once your muscle cells start getting marbled, insulin can't do its job anymore. Your muscles can't clear the glucose in your bloodstream anymore efficiently. So your pancreas compensates by pumping out more insulin louder and louder. Here's the kicker though. High insulin can stay hidden for years before blood sugar budges even a single point. And the other problem is it's never tested for. No one orders a fasting insulin because your blood sugar is okay. That's why so many people get told, everything looks normal, come back next year. Meanwhile, they're gaining weight, losing energy, building belly fat, feeling inflamed, and no one connects the dots. Now here's the good news, and it's really good. Your muscles are also the first place you can fix insulin resistance. 3 things turn the tide fast: lowering carbs enough to stop the overflow, eating enough protein to build and repair muscle, and strength training. Even 10 minutes counts because contracting a muscle pulls in glucose without insulin needed at all. This is why people on keto or carnivore often say, I didn't just lose weight, I feel stable. I'm not hungry and my energy is clean. You're correcting the root insulin resistance, not patching symptoms. So if you've ever been told your blood sugar looks fine, but you feel the classic signs, belly fat, carb cravings, fatigue after meals, joint pain, high blood pressure, elevated triglycerides, your muscles are already waving the red flag. So today, listen to your muscles. They're trying to save you future health.